Uy! Ay, galing!
Just do one by one.
Wala nangyari. Uy! Uy! Damn!
In class.
Napaka-precise. Do you think our girlfriends will like our cook? Do you think? Okay.
Of course.
Yes.
There's a base also, right?
Yeah. Galing ka na. Ang tuling nga niya.
Basic. Napaka-precise niya. Magkakamukha yung cuts, oh.
Nag-a-size?
Magkakamukha.
Wow.
Huwag mo gano'y tutok para magkamukha.
Sige.
Tawagin mo ano, chef.
Chef ano?
Chef, chef, hooray!
Hindi ka.
Mabubrok ang buto mo.
Wow.
Pinang-anin,
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Emerald.
Uy!
Wow.
My good, I'm good.
Oh. But I think before in the ship, sisig is good, right?
Yeah,
Sisig! Sisig is...
I like
Sisig is
it.
very
good in the Philippines and also adobo.
Yeah.
Yeah, the adobo.
Here, what is the famous food? Nasi goreng?
In Bali?
Yeah.
Sa Babi also, Babi Guling, right?
Okay, so meron na tayong paste. And now, we're going to do sambal mata. Okay. In the Philippines, if you cook food and you don't sing, it is not delicious. So, let's sing.
Because I like it.
Happy birthday to you. Ay, ba? Boom, 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 boom.
I got room.
Together, I want you in my boom. Lahat ka gago, dapat umorder na tayo sa restaurant.
Mapagpanggap kayo.
Para kay Elma. Para kay
Para-
Elma. Para rin sa mga girlfriend nyo.
Ang daw siya burger na lang.
Ha? Burger na lang. Burger na lang siya.
Okay pa?
I'm finished.
I'm finished too. I'm finished also.
Ay, no, I'm not finished.
Some people
Some people want it all.
Lahat trip siya eh. Lahat trip.
Sorry.
Tsaka isa ko ding kaya nag-cooking lesson tayo ngayon. Kasi si Papa lagi nagluluto sa atin. Kailangan matuto na rin tayo ng pagluluto. At ang matindi dito, hindi natin sinimulan sa Pilipinas. Indonesian kabod. Kaya tayo ngayon ay International Chef Cooker. Hooray!